Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out special offers on the Oman Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below and the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on special offers, tap on book now, and here you will be able to select whether it is a return flight or a one-way or multi-city. Then select the number of passengers, the cabin type, the currency. You should select your departure point, then your destination, your departure and the return date, and here you can see the offers, and click on the find flights button to search for the available flights and offers, and then you will be able to book the special offers that will appear at this page. So tap on the relevant one, select fare, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.